Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we are going to be making a sphere, and the first tool we are using is a mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools, and it has a negative rake cutter on it. So this blank has a combination of copper leaf, silver leaf and gold leaf in it, and it is mixed with Alumilite Clear Slow, and they come from Easy Inlay and Alumilite, and we are just going to get it to round to start off with. Alright, now we've switched to the rougher, also with a negative rake cutter, and as the blank is tapered, we are going to get it to somewhat round and get rid of that taper. Doesn't have to be totally perfect, just kind of want it as close as we can. There you go. Alright, now we're just going to mark out halfway between the blanks with a Sharpie. Bring up that tailstock for support. Turn the lathe back on, and we're going to start with taking them corners off. Back once again with the mid-size finisher. Going to start with one side. Fantastic, these negative rake tools. Don't get any chip out. And now we're going to go to the other side. Going to get it to somewhat round, but by no means spherical shape, not just yet. There you go. Now quickly draw that center line back on. We want to keep that for the next step. Have a quick clean up. And now we've set up the Paul Howard Sphere Jig. Got that put dead on center line, and now we're going to turn it to a perfect sphere. So it's been a while since I used this jig, so it took me a quick minute to remember how to use it, but we got there in the end. So let's get turning this to round. I would have much preferred it if this cutter was a negative rake, but never mind. You just got to remember to play around with your speeds. It does vary if it's just a resin blank, or maybe it's resin and wood, or whatever you got casted in there. Just remember it does vary, and with it being a standard cutter, it will have a potential of chipping out. So just be careful of that. Alright, there you go. So now we need to get it off of the glue block. So first tool we're going to use is again the mid-size rougher, and we're going to bring that down. Going to switch to the detailer, and we're going to follow that curve round. keeping that spherical shape. There you go. Alright, now we're going to get a flush cut saw and we're going to part it off. Remember to leave a little bit extra. You don't want to undercut it. You want to leave a little bit of a nub in there. Alright, we've got it set between cup centres now, and we're going to take off that nubbin and make it perfectly spherical. And we're going to use the number 1 hollower, which has also got a negative rake cutter on it. There you go. Alright, so we're going to start off sanding here with some 120 grit from Klingspor abrasives. And we're going to transition here to wiping down, and that is up to 400 grit here. Just giving it a quick wipe over with some denatured alcohol or methylated spirits. And so this is what I thought was Zona paper. I'd heard good things and wanted to try it, but turned out it wasn't. I bought the wrong thing, so never mind. So we're just going to go through the grits. Being sure to keep it nice and wet. This is the last one here. Going to quickly give it a quick rotate to make sure we get all sides covered and sanded properly. Nice little wipe off. And that's the sphere part all done. Alright, so now we're going to get to doing this stand. So this is some double-sided pressure sensitive tape. And we just put it onto a little chuck. Peeling it off here. A little bit of resin there, we're just going to push it up with the tailstock, put some pressure on there. There we go. Now we can start by dishing it out. And we're going to use the number 1 hollower for that. So one of my buddies over on his channel did a Saturn sphere. I will leave a link up in the cards in the top right hand corner for you to go and check that out. It turned out fantastic. He casted it on a show that we do every Saturday called Saturday Morning Cartoons. If you want to come and check that out, it's over on at 10 AM Central Time. All about resin, if that's something you're interested in. We'd love to you come and check it out and enjoy the show with us. So yeah, there will also be a link at the end of the cards as well for you. Alright, just sanding to 400 grit here with Klingspor abrasives. A quick wipe down with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Some Yorkshire grit abrasive paste. This is the original. Just wipe this on until you have a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit.
I see the smoke in the mirrors. I'm holding the key, one step away from salvation. You're like the ocean, setting me free. Out in the open, I'm picking up speed. No bad thoughts penetrate. Hold me like this is the first time. Our destiny calls, not leaving.
And we're going to go one step further with Yorkshire grit Microfine to give it that little extra shiny shine.
Turn the page and burn it. Let's make.
Don't forget, I will leave links to Jake's Saturn video at the end of the video. So with that being said, here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.